Where the price will go for Dogecoin and Shiba coin, because Bitcoin went down below the 100K. We're going to discuss in this video where the price target for the next year, because of course everybody right now is kind of in panic mode, and before we were in a formal mode because Bitcoin went over the 100K. Of course, let me just show you what's going on with the fear and greed index. Here we see it is back in neutral. Before it was on the green side, which is on the formal part. Right now going back to the fear side around the red. So if the price or this dot went around the red, is mean everybody fearing and starting a bearish market. And we went on the green, is mean the market is on the formal and bullish level. So for now we are neutral because of course Bitcoin is still just below the 99, around the 93. So in today's video we have to discuss Dogecoin and Shiba coin and Bitcoin, of course, because this is where all the coin or altcoin follow the footstep of Bitcoin. So first, let us discuss the scenario if Bitcoin never go over the 100K. Why I'm talking about this? Because you see what's happened here. We went first around the 103, price went down drastically. Then we have 108, price went drastically down. But this time is a different story because we have double top where the short seller added their position twice. First around the 21st of December and the second around the 26th of December around the 99, 960. So just below the 100K. So this is not coincident, guys, just below the 100K. So now we have two scenarios. First scenario for Bitcoin, we're gonna go back to the Dogecoin and Shiba coin, okay? So relax, I'm not forgetting about those two. We're talking about Bitcoin, then we're gonna go back to Dogecoin and discuss what's gonna happen if Bitcoin actually never go to the 100 again. So first, let us discuss the bad scenario, then we're gonna go to the good scenario. For the bad scenario, if we never go over the 99 or over the 100K and we drop over or below the 90K, will give us a huge drop for the market and the altcoin, and of course for Dogecoin and Shiba coin. We're gonna discuss where the dip we should buy for both of them. For now, just watch out for this, guys, the 100K or just below the 100K, because if we didn't break this orange line and we broke the 90, is mean we're gonna have a huge drop for Bitcoin around the 85, 78, and eventually the 73. So we look for a drop almost 20% in total for Bitcoin for a correction. So this is just a correction. However, for Dogecoin and Shiba coin, we anticipate a bigger drop if Bitcoin went toward the 78, or let me just check again. Did we say 78? I think yes. Around the 73. Yes, 73. So if Bitcoin went toward the 73 and we never go toward or over the 100K, yeah, we're gonna have a huge drop for Dogecoin. For Bitcoin will be 20%, for Dogecoin will be almost 40%, around the 19 cents. So watch out for this drop because Dogecoin have the same reaction here. We got a big resistance around almost the 35 cents, and we got a big buyer here around the 26. So if we dropped and break the 26, we're gonna go directly toward the 19. For Shiba coin, the same. We anticipate a huge drop toward give or take around this level. So I will be waiting for this drop, guys. If we have it, will be a really good dip around the 401264 to be precise. Now, if we go back on Bitcoin chart and discuss, of course, the good scenario, the green scenario is as follow. We need to hold this level, which is the 90K, break the 99, go over the 100K this time to go and again to do new high around the 150 and maybe even the 200K for the next year. We might have this reaction for the next year. So as long as we hold this dip, guys, is mean we're gonna have another green and greed for Bitcoin and all the altcoin. And of course, this one will turn around not the 54, but 100 or even 90 between the 90 and 100, which is the ultimate not fear but FOMO and greed for this index. If we of course broke the 100 barrier once again and hold over this level, we're gonna have a new high. And of course for Dogecoin could go toward the $1, guys, which is my target, around not even the $1, just below the $1, around the 99 cents. For Shiba Coin, we have a new high we might do over the 86, or we might see the 3 zeros, because right now it's around the 4 zeros. If we hit the 3 zeros, it means we're gonna have a 1 or 10. Instead of 86, we're gonna have 10 and 30. 1 and 30. This is will be a great jump for Shiba Coin, because this is will give us, let me just check here, almost 300%. It's doable, guys, for Shiba Coin, as long as we got this reaction, which is for Bitcoin to hold over the 90. For now is anticipation mode, and as everybody knows that every year, beginning of the year or before the end of any year, we got a drastic change. For Bitcoin, we have a drastic jump from the 73, and we have the 100K. For the next year, beginning of the next year, we might have this reaction, or either confirming continue for Bitcoin to go over the 100K and have the 200K, or go back to recorrect from the 73K. Let me know in the comment section below if we should do more video for Bitcoin and altcoin, because it's been a while last time we update for you guys Bitcoin and altcoin, because we were focusing on stocks. But for now, I was seeing the chart for Bitcoin. That's why I have to warn our hunters and our viewers about the big avalanche or storm that's gonna happen, the real storm for crypto markets. So let me know in the comment section below if you want to have more update for cryptos and altcoin. And of course, I will be there for you guys to make you updated. In the meantime, subscribe and join us tomorrow, because we always go live around 9 a.m. Eastern time to discuss the market every day. Why 9 a.m. Eastern time? Because stock market, because we trade the market live. And of course, sometimes we trade crypto stocks like Coinbase, right, with cryptos. So join us there. Thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow.